Well, hello and welcome back. Now, in this section, we're going to talk about brain dumps, what they are, the advantages that brain dumps offer you, and how you can use mind maps to effectively perform your own brain dumps. You see, the human mind evolved to make decisions and process information, not to permanently store information. And the modern workplace and lifestyle can simply fill up your conscious mind with too many loose ends, which can prevent you from finding any peace of mind. Now, brain dumps are obviously designed to help address this, but they are much more than just fancy to-do lists. The purpose of a brain dump is to go beyond just recording a list of tasks and allow you to reduce and remove stresses or even feelings of being overwhelmed by work or personal issues. So brain dumping is more than just a simple to-do list. It's a process where you work through a list of questions and record your thoughts, organize those thoughts, discard the unimportant ones, organize the rest, and then act on them. In a nutshell, if you brain dump effectively, then you can close your mind map on a Friday afternoon, safe in the knowledge that every loose end is documented, prioritized, and scheduled, ready for you to begin work on Monday. And the time in between need not be full of nagging worries and concerns about all those loose ends that you feel you need to do. Brain dumping is designed to help you regain clarity and peace of mind and achieve a clear work-life balance so that when you're away from work with your friends and your family, you can really be present and enjoy that time without being plagued by nagging concerns and work-related stress. And I'm speaking from personal experience there, as I've successfully used the techniques that we're going to learn in this section myself. The outcome that we're working towards is to help you develop a process to ensure that all of those nagging thoughts, ideas, aspirations, and chores are recorded safely in such a way that you don't need to spend time thinking about them or worrying about them when you're not actually working on them. And in this section, we're going to learn how you can use mind maps to perform your own brain dumps and achieve that peace of mind. And do you know what? It's really not that difficult. So when you're ready, I'll meet you in the next lesson and we can begin.